boy Travis here, back again. About to show you what I'm working on. Let's see what the new rubber looks like on the wheels. Check it out. Boom, there it is. 275 wide, 40 17s on the HREs. Can't wait to get these bad boys on the car. As you can see, let me get a side profile on it, pretty decently wide. Even got a little lip exposure right here, so I can probably even go wider on these tires. So I might run 295 or 285 or 295 on the front when I get to the track. These are just some street tires that I went ahead and put on, got put on there, so I can just roll around on the new wheels. And then you can see I can come over here. I got it marked off already, so where I can get the cutting, we're gonna cut out this line right here for the so I can get the flare mounted. Let me get to grab the flare over here. You can see it's gonna go on just like that. I'm gonna get the get it bolted in and whatnot. Give us some good clearance for the new wheels, so I don't hit the fenders with them. But yeah, that's what I'm about to mount. Can't wait. 275 wide, 40 17s on HRE 546Rs. There's, like I said in the previous video, they're 17 by 10.5 with a plus 9.6 offset. So they sit pretty far outside the fender, about 3 inches outside the fender. So I'm gonna get to cutting and I'll show you what the finished product looks like. I cut out a good chunk out of it so I can fit the nice wide tires. This line is where the fender flare is gonna stop at. A couple of holes to drill into. This line is probably about 2 inches below that. So let me go ahead and put the tire on. We'll see how it fits. Alright guys, you can see, got a nice little clearance there. Bend down a little bit. Before, the fender was actually touching the tire. So now we got some clearance. So we got some suspension travel, the suspension can travel and whatnot. Let me grab that flare real quick. Come over here with me. Alright, so we'll get this on there. So you can kind of get a feel of what it's going to look like. Whoops. Trying to do this with one hand. Doesn't always work out that way. Alright. So, as you can see, I got some nice little clearance. Now I can even drop the car a little bit lower if I wanted to. So, I might just do that. Go a little bit lower on the suspension and be ready to set. As you can see, the tire and fender clearance there on the outside. Nice little setup there. So I'm gonna get these bolted on. I'm gonna get these bolted on and finish the rest of the side. But right now I'm about to head to Florida, going on vacation. So till next time, guys. Peace.